So hello guys, or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl NJLoves, and I'm here today with my June plan with me video. Thank you for joining me today for this very exciting plan with me. Not only am I going to be doing a plan with me, I'm also going to be revealing the last set of goodies I picked up from a couple of shops, so stick with me and I will show you that at the end. But I'm not going to make this super lengthy. If planners, stickers, stationery and all of that good stuff is something you're into, keep on watching and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I will kick things off. Go straight in. I hope you guys managed to check out my flip through of this because that will show you how everything is currently looking. But yes, let's jump straight to June. So I'm going to just flip here. Okay, so I've got my overview pretty much filled out for the upcoming month, and it's actually quite nice to start with a completely blank sheet. So I have, as per usual, some deco stickers along with a collection of stickers from the planner spot, so I'll be going through those. I have bought this one out because June is my birthday month, so I am super excited about that. So I'll be using these, and yeah, let's just kick things off. I hope you enjoy the music, and let's get it going. Also, just to show you, I pulled out a selection of sampler stickers because I definitely want to make sure that I'm using these. So I keep these in my Muji container, and literally it has a real selection of stickers from different shops. So I'll probably be pulling from this as well. So Okay guys, so this is where I will stop pre-planning for June, and this is the setup as it stands. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm very excited for the coming month, and I plan to fill in quite a few more boxes with plans and activities, but for now this is definitely where I'm at. So there is that. Now, as promised, I want to share with you some goodies. Okay, so let me just move this out of the way. Okay, and I'll start with this bundle here. Now, I picked up some items from Cloth and Paper a while ago, and this was the last Stackery haul that was delivered, I think like a week ago. I've had the worst week, well, actually longer than a week, so I have not been in the mood for planning or anything like that, but we move, right? We keep it moving and we pick ourselves up and we dust off our shoulders. And yeah, I thought, let me do my plan with me videos. Let's jump back into it. It's been really nice opening my planner and getting things done, and definitely been nice planning out June so far. So yeah, I've had these sat for a while. I think I posted when I got them and then literally forgot all about them. So let's just jump in. I'll show you what I got. So from Cloth and Paper, I picked up their new color range in Big Knit, I believe is how you pronounce it. It's a really nice, like a soft grey. So okay, so this is how it looks. It is so pretty. Out of the new range, this is probably my fave color. I mean, look at that. So nice. So I picked that up, and then also went for their new style inbox post-it notes, and these are also really nice. I do like the new design, and you get quite a lot in the pack, so I thought this would go really well with my aesthetic. Again, the same Big Knit in the transparent circle sticky notes. Do you like my nails, guys? These are also part of the Stackery haul that I got. Okay, and these are the circle notes, and I really like these. And obviously with these, I'm sure you guys will know already, but you need like a specific pen to write on them. I don't believe that ballpoint will work. We'll test it out really quickly. Here's my Muji. Oh, it works. It works well. So ballpoint pens, to my surprise, work on here absolutely fine. I think it's gel ink pens. It's the gel ink pens that wouldn't work on here. So again, I can test that out. So we'll use this one. Yeah, so it's not very smooth, and although it doesn't smudge, so again, I think maybe it's a new material. It does seem to be working. I can't complain too much about that, but this is the color and I really like it. Nice to have the set. So there's that. I picked up the quartz as well. I just really like the nude simple tones. I think it is everything, and that's how that looks. Look at that, so pretty. I also got the dot grid in Chateau. And these obviously are not transparent, but I just really like these. These were in a sub box, and again, I haven't kept a continuous subscription. It's literally as and when I feel like it will be worthwhile, like if the theme of the month is something I'll be into. So I got the porcelain lined sticky notes. Love this. Again, the color is everything. Oh, what's that? The colour's everything, so pretty. And then I was got the Chateau, which looks like this. So very, very pretty sticky notes, very neutral, very much my vibe, and I really, really like what Cloth and Paper are doing here. Did you guys subscribe to the June box? I've made a decision not to. I really like the Cloth and Paper black ollie clip, but will I really use it? Do I need it? And the answer I came up with was no, so I'm showing restraint and I won't be getting it. I like the nude colors, the black is cute, but again, I don't think it's going to be worthwhile for me. Okay, so moving on, I also picked up some goodies from SessaVee. I'll show you what I got. So this is just the thank you card here and the invoice. So this is new, and this is the thank you sample sheet, which is very cute. Again, loving these color tones, so I'll definitely make use of this. I mean, I could have definitely used this for my plan with me, but yeah, very, very cute. And then I picked up some more of these because I really like the base color, that really nice nudie pink. And I have it in the gold, but I really wanted to see how it looked in the other colors, and I felt like silver and black would be more suited for my planner than this gold one. So yeah, I just picked up a couple more of these. These are only like $1.50, so it definitely isn't breaking the bank to have variations of the same thing. But yeah, I really, really like these, and they make for very pretty deco. So I'll put those here so you guys can see. But my main purpose for going back and getting some bits were to pick up these. As you can see, I've got a thing for sticky notes. I mean, how many have I got now? Like ridiculous amounts. But let's open this up. So initially she was doing a bundle, and I don't think you can still get the bundle, but I didn't want all of the colors. It was this one that caught my eye, and so this is the one I got. It's like a nice gray neutral with a bit of a I would just say it's a gray, a very nice light gray with white lines, and it says SessaVee, very subtle, but I really like these. The size is perfect. It will fit in my pocket planner very well. So in fact, if I can find it, I will show you what I mean. So here is my planner, and for example, that fills the sheet really nicely and doesn't take up too much space, but also isn't super small. So it's a nice medium size sticky note, which is perfect because, for example, actually, I don't know if these are the same size. Yeah, they are. So we've also got the Cloth and Paper one, which is the same size, but this is transparent, and this is obviously opaque and matte. Very, very pretty. Okay, so that is my order from SessaVee, and I absolutely love these pieces. Very cute. Last but not least, oh, in fact, how did I forget? Also from Cloth and Paper, just to go back, I got the new inbox dashboard, which is this one here. So I'll open this up. It is like the glass effect, so it's that clear, thick plastic that we all like. Take this off. Okay, so this is how it looks from the outset, and I believe it's got a film. Yes, it does. Okay, so with all of these kind of dashboards from Cloth and Paper, look out for the film, because you could be it would be very easy to think this is it, but no, it does have a film that you peel off, which is in the corner over here. And once you take this off, it reveals the true glass, and it looks a bit scratched. Oh no, what is this? Oh dear, that looks a bit scratched. I'm not sure. There's not another one on the front. Okay, well, hopefully once I put that in, it won't be too noticeable. very much doubt there's going to be anything that can be done with this. Okay, that is a shame, but hopefully once, as I mentioned, I put this in a planner, you're not going to be able to see those marks there. But anyways, this is the dashboard, and other than the tarnishing on the front, it's very cute. And in fact, it's upside down, so it's this way. So yeah, this is it. Last but by no means least, I'm going to share with you what I picked up from QueenCityDesignsCo. Love it, love this shop, definitely a fan. Let's open this up. Okay, so first up from QueenCityDesignsCo, I got this card, which I absolutely love. I think this is like absolutely everything right now. It's speaking to me and I really like this. So this is perfect. I posted this on my Instagram, so I will insert the handle here for you to check me out if you want to see any planner related content or just follow me in general. This is a business card that I got, and I did get this in the last order, but it's always good to have extras. And this is the back, so this is a really pretty floral design. I then picked up this card here, which I think is just beautiful. I have this with the black and the silver, but I really wanted to get this color, and I just love that foiling. It's perfect. It's plain at the back. The other freebies, so again, exactly the same as I picked up in one of my other orders. So these are all freebies, very smooth material, just absolutely beautiful. This semi-nude, I love it. This one, the secret of getting ahead is getting started, and I'm still growing. These are beautiful. Love a freebie. I picked up this for my pocket planner, and this is just perfect. Obviously it has my name in the middle and it's on some acetate, and I just really like the design of that. Obviously that is the pocket size there. And then the last thing I picked up was this dashboard here in the linen material, and I just think this is also very, very cute and will look lovely in my planner. Tiny bit crumpled at the top, but that may be me and my storage since obviously getting the order. So I really like this. QueenCityDesignsCo, go and check her out. You can see the texture right there, and again it's plain at the back. Okay guys, so that is everything. There is my order, or these are my orders from my last Zachary haul. Again, I'll insert the link if you are interested in doing any shopping and you're based outside of the USA and you want to buy from USA based shops. Check them out. It's definitely been a game changer for me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.